Feeling a little bit more like summer today in the upper 80s with a little bit of a hazy sky around from the Canadian wildfire smoke. Live look out of Tellico Village. Pretty nice view other than that smoke right now. Mainly in the upper atmosphere, meaning lower atmosphere, not seeing those effects as much, not too many respiratory issues. We're kind of in that moderate category for the smoke, but a cold front is out to our north and west, which will move that smoke right along. We're in that level 2 out of 5 risk. A good chunk of Tennessee is. North and west of Knoxville especially, but everyone is at least in that level 1 out of 5 risk. Winds, number 1 concern, very, very isolated concern for tornadoes, hail, and a low end threat of flooding as well. Again, strong winds up to 50 or 60 mile an hour is the more concerning threat as we head overnight. 85 right now in Maynardville, Oak Ridge, Knoxville, up to 88 in Athens, 85 in Pikeville, and 85 as well in Jamestown. But because of that strong southwesterly wind, that humidity is back. We're sticky to tropical, setting the stage for those stronger storms overnight, 15 to 20. Even I've seen a couple of 25 mile an hour gusts over the last couple of hours. Friday football forecast, Alcoa gives is our highlight game of the week. Bo, you were asking about these games earlier. Looks good for kickoff through halftime, especially in the valley eastward. Plateau, southeast Kentucky, I'm going to be watching it very carefully. Those storms could start as early as about 7 or 8 o'clock. So as we head later and later, that's when really that concern becomes for some isolated storms. Any storms that fire could become very strong to severe. Just some partly cloudy skies, mainly dry through about 8, 9 o'clock. There's that isolated to spotty risk I'm talking about in Middle Tennessee, eventually the Plateau from Crossville, Pikeville, Jamestown. That's 9 o'clock. They start to die out as they move eastward, but still strong enough. Some of those could contain some gustier winds, lots of lightning, and lots of rain as well. That moves out, but I do think we see a little bit of redevelopment as we approach the 3, 4, 5 o'clock hour, kind of another broken line that will also fall apart. Once that one moves through, though, our severe weather risk goes well down, but we will still have some showers and storms to deal with on your day Saturday. Waking up will be a little bit more mild for your Saturday, mid to upper 60s, lower 60s across the plateau to southeast Kentucky, but about 68 here in Knoxville. And then we won't be quite as hot tomorrow because of the rain. The clouds will be in the mid to upper 70s, 79 Knoxville, Athens, maybe an isolated 80 closer towards Tellico Plains, 70 in Jamestown, 73 in Barberville, 76 in Sneedville. Again, mainly cloudy. This is after tonight, so a couple of rounds of stronger storms tonight. No severe weather expected once we get past about 6 a.m. to start your Saturday. A little bit of a lull through the morning, and then at the 12 o'clock hour, about half of us, I think, see some showers, some storms, mainly showers with just a few rumbles. 4 o'clock, though, just very isolated showers and storms as that cold front finally makes its way through overnight on Saturday. So what about the Falls home opener taking on ETSU? It's kickoff and before, so tailgating activities, that's where the rain would be a little bit more concerning. Main concern would be that lightning, but I do think we start to clear out closer towards the end of the game and after the game. Sunday, much cooler, mid to upper 50s to start off the day, mid to low 70s to top off our day. And because of that cold front, will be much drier, cooler, and rain chances go to 0 for your Sunday through next Friday. We'll be about 10 degrees cooler Sunday and Monday with that drier air, feeling much better. We will be right back with more news and weather right after this break.